Hello friends, the market is bearish. The war situation is becoming very alarming. Whether this will lead to a third world war, nobody knows. Gold and crude price are on rise and Nifty and Bank Nifty both are falling. So also the stocks. In this situation, traders and investors need to be very cautious and should avoid taking any position just because the stock is available at discount. That does not mean that at this moment we should not track any stock. In this bearish market also there are few stocks which are doing well. As per our endeavor, we used to suggest to monitor such stocks which are actually trading at a very low price near a crucial zone, and at the same time the risk is low. After the Ukrainian situation had escalated, we had suggested two stocks which were looking bullish that time. These stocks are performing well even now. We had suggested Agritech on 19th February 2022 when the stock was trading near this region. Now it has moved a bit. Similarly, on 26th February, we have posted a video. We had suggested Bullish Securities. Its price was here at that time. This has also performed well during the last week. So today we will suggest two such stocks which are performing well even during this bear run in the market. Name of the first stock is CURDE Products. This is the weekly chart. Last week it has formed a very strong green candle. Interesting factor here is that this move is supported by a huge volume. Can you see this volume? Since the last week candle movement is around 50% and no stock moves in upward direction like a rocket, so it is likely that it will retrace a bit before it starts its upward momentum. Another technical factor supports our view is that it is forming a cup and handle pattern, which is also a bullish pattern. This can be clearly visible when we switch to monthly chart. This is the monthly chart. See how the cup and handle shape formation is visible here. Right? This is the cup and this is the handle. Cup and handle. So if this breaks, this resistance line breaks, then it has a good chance that it will move to higher price with a momentum. Right? Here stop loss can be maintained near this zone around 80 something, right, and can be tracked. In case the stock breaks this resistance zone, then it has a good upward room for movement. This was the first stock, and the second one we are going to discuss today is TTK Healthcare. Yes, TTK Healthcare. Like CURDE Products, TTK Healthcare is also forming a nice consolidation for last 1 year or so. This is also forming a cup and handle pattern. Can you see this? This is the cup and this is the handle. If it clears the resistance zone with the effect of cup and handle pattern, it can start a momentum phase which we should monitor and capitalize. Here also the stop loss is very minimal. This is the stop loss level we can maintain. Hence, we can include these two stocks in our watch list and start monitoring their price movement. So, if you like this analysis, please comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Thank you very much for your valuable time. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.